Mama didn't speak, and I wondered what was going through her mind. I thought about not going and letting her go in by herself, but then I would just have to deal with it later. We went to the office. "Walter, how are you?" The guidance counselor I had spoken to earlier looked at me. "Fine," I said, shrugging. All the notes I had sent in were produced. Mama was amazed at how well I had forged her signature. No, I hadn't been ill, not at all. No, she had known I had missed nearly 30 days of school. Mama was taken into an inner office for a private conversation, and I was made to sit outside. Several teachers came in the guidance office on business. My English teacher was one of them. She looked at me. "Are you in trouble?" she asked. "I think so," I answered. "Whatever happened," she whispered, "don't stop writing." I waited and waited, and then the door opened and I was invited into the interior office. I was asked about the time I had had scarlet fever. Scarlet fever? My bout with scarlet fever came the summer when I was 8, and I had all but forgotten it. I had been hospitalized for 3 weeks, most of it in a glass-walled cubicle in Willard Parker Hospital on the east side. At the end of the 3 weeks, when I was cured of the fever, the doctors had recommended that I be put into a facility for disturbed children until my nervousness subsided. Mama had refused and brought me home. But what was that about now? "Are you having problems?" asked the school administrator, wearing his "look how calm I am" expression. I didn't answer. It was clear that Mama had told them about the scarlet fever incident and must have explained that I was a nervous child. Still, I had violated the rules of attendance and certainly the rules of stuyvesant. Mama and I were asked to sit in the hallway. The secretary brought Mama some coffee. We didn't speak as we waited. Finally, we were asked in again. I could remain in the school if Mama and I agreed to put me under the supervision of a city agency. Mama asked if I would go along with it, and I said yes. I was officially disturbed.